Hello, it is Tuesday, December 27th, 2011 at 2:04 a.m. Central Standard Time. And I did a video earlier on this system we have moving through the Midwest, and some more things are showing up that I wanted to bring forth. First of all, this hot area that started picking up severity in Little Rock is apparently getting even worse. And we also have more little blobs showing up here in the middle of the cold area, a warm area, like something dropped in on it. And what I find interesting is that we've got this other severe area up in this way, and all this is in between those two. And what really has me concerned is this is all approaching the New Madrid area right at the moment. Let me see if this will zoom in. Here's New Madrid right here. And you can see right here is a cutout, a little circular cutout here, here. I'm not sure what's making these warm areas in the middle of the cold. You'd think that'd be more like a field of cold and not just these cutout things. I think these are harp rings is what I think, disguised though, you know, they not looking like they used to look. Let's go in a little closer to New Madrid and see what we see. I'm going to make it a little bit transparent so we can see through. Here's New Madrid right here. And here's one of those ring things here. And there's one here. I'll darken it up again. See, you can see there's one here, and then there's one here. And then there's yellow in the middle again, like there was in the one I showed you in the last video. I'll put a link to that one. And we're sitting at 3 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, 3:05. Right here's 3:05. And looking at AccuWeather, it has a big blot area too that just shows up all of a sudden. It's going along and then pow, there it is. And this is in 15-minute increments, so there was no ice, and then 15 minutes there is a large field of snow, excuse me, the blue is snow. And we're looking at the snow ice radar. And the snow shows up at, let's see if I can see it, 2:45. Let me look again. Right, 2:45. If I switch it to high res, we get, maybe we'll get something, there we go. High res, we're getting mixed on the outside and snow in the center. See if we can pinpoint the center. I'm not sure if it'll work. It's my computer's acting up again. Right around Lake Spring, Waynesville, Edgar Springs would be the center, and this hole is at Licking, of all places. And then I wanted to show you the jet stream, and this is what really got me. This is why I did the videos. When I saw this, right now we're sitting at 8 UTC, and that's for December 27th, and this is projected for 12, so this is 4 hours from now. And you can see this big deep pull down, and it just happens to go right over the New Madrid area. Let me start the loop here so you can see. This is starts, so you've got like 3 loops, and there it is right there. Let's see if I can start it over again. I'm going to start it again. This is what it was at 12:26 at 00 GMT. And you can see there's some kind of a pushing in here. New Madrid's right here, and there's this little high area. I assume that's, yeah, I'm pretty sure that, and we've had a rotation going on around there. Let me go ahead and go to the next one. There we go. And so this is 12 hours later at 12:26, and you can see it's pushed on through supposedly. And this is one jet stream, the Arctic, and this is the, I think it's subtropic is what it's called, the orange one. And this is moved this way somewhat. And then we'll go one more. Right there. 12:27 at 00 GMT, so the highs moved up here in Oklahoma. And this flattens out, and this is starting to come down now for that big drawdown. And it looks like what happens is it draws down and connects with this high area. And I'm assuming this is a high. And then we'll go to the next one. I've got to run through it again. There we go. And this is what it'll be in 4 hours. And you can see how this comes down and infringes in this. Pushes down into it. And I'll check. I'll try to remember to check and see if IntelliCast gets those little scalar squares up here where this is pushing down. And then while we're here, I wanted to show you a little while ago. I'm watching Louisiana. This is the kind of the source of the storm. It's coming up. A lot of it's coming up out of the Gulf here. But you can see these green blobs growing. This is Lake Charles. I'm not sure what that one is. But you see it here, it grows and then it pushes out. There it goes, right there. And then also we have a cloud that moves into here, disappears. And at the same time out here, so you can see a cloud bursts forth, and one here, it almost looks like it's coming from a single source, just for a brief time. Well, brief time. Let's see how long. Let's go backwards here. So this is at 5:28 UTC on December 27th. We're watching this right here. And now let's go. So that's like 6:30. So that's about an hour. It goes for about an hour from start to release. And then also pay attention to this, because the clouds again are going north, and this is running this way. And this looks like a bunch of, I don't know, vapors, strings of vapors. Let me start it here. Oops, let's go forward. See them? They're right here. I'm crossing over. And then, oh, this was the loop for Brandon, Mississippi, right over the border. Here's these two clouds. Here's one, and there's the other one. And then also I forgot to show you, relating to the what's happening coming up on the new Madrid, is this is the University of Utah, the troposphere report, and we're looking at 12/27/2011 at 00 UTC plus 6 hours. So that's about now. Yeah, because it's 8. So it was 2 hours ago. And here you can see that lighter area, and you can see the wind. Actually, the wind's, oh, what's happening right here? The wind's going this way. Here it's coming this way. It's kind of crossing over. And this is reaching way down in here. And anytime you get these funny little squares at the end of a high area, it seems to be, that's a sign that you're going to see scalar squares up at the where it originates from. And this is interesting in that we've got 3 high areas right here, and here. Again, New Madrid is right here. So that's all approaching New Madrid. Let's go forward 6 hours and see what we get. See if it'll switch. There we go. Yeah, it'll push. So it's pushing right through the New Madrid area within 6 hours. I'm going to go back because I want to show you this other side. And again, I don't understand this map, but we've got all this going on. And let's go forward 6 hours. And then it's pushed into the East Coast then, although we do have something happening around here, around the New Madrid area, again around Illinois. So anyway, there you have it. I will let you know if I see more. God bless you.